Tonight we're going to replace the battery on the remote for a 2008 Audi Q7. So first thing is you take your key remote, open the key, and you'll see inside there's a little tiny indentation. Sorry, I'm trying to get it in focus. You can see a little notch there, right in the center of the screen. So we're going to take our detail tool, pop it open, cover comes off. There's a battery inside. Notice how the battery's mounted. Take the battery up, and you notice that it's a CR2032. That's what I bought from local store, Energizer 2032. They sealed it, so I have to use the scissors to open it up, pull it out of its extra protective packaging, and then I want to make sure I position it the same way inside the cover that the previous battery was positioned, with the positive side facing down. And then I just simply push it back into the key. Just make sure it snaps into place. As you hear that snap, and that's all done.